po ba na if December 2024 lang po registered, pero gusto ko i-declare yung buong 2024 na income? Babayaran po ba lahat sa 1701A 2024 or kailangan hati-hatiin 1701Q, Q1 to 3? Ano ba yung BIR Form 1701A? Yan po yung Annual Income Tax Return. And yes, kahit December year 2024 ka nag-register, possible po na isama mo lahat ng income mo from January 2024 to December 2024 sa filing mo ng Annual Income Tax Return year 2024. So BIR Form 1701A, lahat na po ng income mo ng year 2024. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.